My name is Hole and I work as on the leader from IC Components. So at the Framework Group, we design and develop high quality Flyback Transformer for automotive onboard charger and DC to DC converter from smaller to large Flyback Transformer. They are qualified to ASC Q200. So as you know, in transformer we have primary wiring and secondary wiring. The primary wiring of Flyback is connected directly to the voltage input source, which can store energy in the transformer. Then when the primary is switched off from the source, the energy will transfer to the secondary powering load. So we have three things important when we design Flyback Transformer. The first is the installation. You know, the power is increasing a lot, 11 kilowatt, 20 kilowatts, and in future it can grow more. Then the installation need to adapt the power in the future with the higher voltage, working voltage. The second is the loss controlling with a higher voltage supply and higher power. That we need to take into account the losses in the volume of product. Some parts require automatic process pick and place, and some parts require the SMD or the TST technology for soldering. For example, in my hand is the DAB Flyback, and this Flyback has reinforced insulation for 1000 working voltage. So the challenge here is how we can design with enough clearance and creepage for installation. And this part has a good mechanical support also. You can see that we have a metal clamp here to provide a flat surface for automatic pick and place. This is a base Flyback for high power. This Flyback is using the least wire. This have reduced AC losses in the component. In my hand is two parts. One is standard and one is the customized. So you can see that from the standard, we have the common design with a high clearance creepage. But in some case, customer require, for example, double, then we can customize the design. In my hand is special design for double clearance or creepage for installation. You can see that we have the plastic cup cover the core, and that is different with the standard one without any plastic cup to cover. And with the plastic cup covering, then we can maximum the clearance and creepage. We can certify the critical installation from customer. We have many innovation in the design, and we have a good support in technical find solution and certify all requirements from customer. So thank for your listening.